we need to find all the angles A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Step by step we are going to do. First of all, this B and 50 degree, they are vertically opposite angles. So I can write B is equal to 50 degree vertically opposite angles. Do remember to write the reasons, because writing reasons is very important. Once B is found, now A and B, their sum is 180 degree. Why their sum is 180 degree? Because they are linear pair angles. We will write they are forming linear pair of angles. Now B value we have already found, it is 50 degree. So A plus 50 is 180 degree. That means A will be equal to 180 minus 50. Finally, A is 130 degree. Two values we have found as of now. I am writing B is 50, A is 130. Now A and C, they are vertically opposite angles. So we can write that C is equal to A, reason vertically opposite angles. That means C angle is going to be 130 degree. That is how A, B and C we have found. Now in other formulae, we have already found relations between like C and D, this C and this D. These two angles are equal because they are alternate interior angles. I'm going to use that. Now D and C are equal, but make sure you are writing the reasons. Alternate interior angles. They are equal, that is why D is also going to be 130 degree. I am mentioning here that D is 130 degree. Now D and F are equal, vertically opposite angles. F is equal to D. I am writing in short form now, vertically opposite angles. That means F is 130 degree. Let us try to use, instead of just directly using linear pair, let us try to relate with some another rules as well. Like I want to find G. So B and G angle, they both are equal. B and G. G and B are equal. This rule is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, that means G is also going to be 50 degree. G is 50. Now finally, if G is 50, then E is also going to be 50, vertically opposite angles. I will write E and G are equal, vertically opposite angles. So E is also 50 degree. That is how all the missing angles we can find easily if we are clear with the rules. I hope it is clear, all of you, but still if you have any doubt, feel free to write in the chat box.